Hello friends, in this video we are going to talk about forces and laws of motion. So, what is a force? Any external agency which causes a change in the state of an object which is in rest or in uniform velocity is called a force. So let me define force. Any external agency which changes or tends to change the state of rest or uniform motion of anybody is called force. Okay, so here these words are important: changes the state of rest or of uniform motion. Also, it has to be noted that force is an external agency. If we consider that body whose motion we are studying to be a black box, then force is an external agency which causes the motion of change in the motion of that black box. Okay, so we all know the definitions of velocity, speed, acceleration, etc. So now let us look at the different laws of motion that were given by Newton. So we come to Newton's first law of motion. Let me write this over here. The first law. Everybody body continues its state of rest or uniform motion unless compelled by an external agency that we call force to act otherwise. So this first law, as you can see, brings us to the very important concept of inertia. This law introduces the concept of inertia. This is important. Okay. So now let us see what is inertia. Before that, let me rub the board. So, inertia. Now, as you can recollect, in the first law we were talking of the state of rest or of uniform motion. So that state is called inertia. Everybody continues to maintain its inertia. Inertia is just like it's the tendency of not changing. Okay. Everybody possesses inertia. That state of rest or uniform motion which a body tends to preserve is called its inertia. Okay. So now let us look at the second law of motion. And this law introduces us to the definition of force. And its measurement, that is how force is measured. The rate of change of motion, the rate of change of momentum of a moving body is directly proportional to the net force applied on it. And the change tends to occur in the direction of applied force. Now here lots of things are important. Let me highlight those first. First, the keyword momentum is very important. What is momentum? Momentum we are going to just see later in this video only. Now the rate of change of momentum, that is the rate at which the momentum changes, is directly proportional to the external agency, that is the force that is applied on it. Okay, and the change takes place in the direction of the applied force. Suppose you have a ball and you are kicking the ball in the upward direction, then the ball will move upwards. Okay, it will not move sideways or downward. Okay, so that's quite based on common sense, but it is important. Okay, and let me rub this in order to define momentum. So let us resume. Let us look at the definition of momentum. So what is momentum? It is defined as the quantity of motion in a moving body which is a combined effect of its mass and velocity is called momentum. Okay. So it is defined as momentum is equals to mass times velocity. Okay. Now mass is a scalar quantity and velocity is a vector quantity. So this momentum is also a vector quantity. Momentum is a vector quantity. Okay, and the unit is the unit of mass, that is kg, into unit of velocity, that is meter per second. This is the SI unit. Okay, so that's it from this video. In the next video we would talk about the third law and the concept of reaction. Okay, so if you like this video, then please subscribe to my channel, and that's it. Goodbye.